having a blast. Gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely. If you want my respect, you'll better put direct. Here are the words in the podcast, that's what comes next.
Welcome everybody to the Boostly podcast. My name is Mark Simpson. I give hosts just like you the tools, the tactics and the training to go and get more bookings. And in today's podcast, what I'm going to do with you is I'm going to share with you a top tip that nobody else is doing right now. And it would help generate you bookings or new leads or new inquiries today. All you need to do, you need to pick up your phone. You're going to send a text message to a guest or a contact, a friend, anybody, and you're going to type in 4 little words. Do you know anyone? Do you know anyone that needs new bookings? Do you know anyone that needs their property looking after? Do you know anyone who Send it to the people who already know, like, and love you. You could send it to 10 people. I guarantee you'll get one person back going, yeah, I do actually. And again, what I would always do is dangle that little carrot. So do you know anyone, who needs accommodation? By the way, if they end up booking, then I'll send you X, Y, or Z. Amazon vouchers, bottle of wine, couple of beers, even money, cold hard cash. The incentive is the key to it working. And all I ask is that you do that one thing. You do that one thing and good things will happen. All right, short little lesson for you there. If this is your first time listening to a Boostly podcast, please make sure that you go and like, subscribe, and go and tell somebody about it. Every day I provide help and tactics and techniques to you increase your direct bookings, and it starts today. So if this is the first time that you've listened, go to boostly.co.uk/podcast. Massive thank you to our sponsors, and I will see you for the next lesson tomorrow.
Whoa, having a blast. Gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.